Okay, my GoPro erased everything I said yesterday, so I'm gonna do this again. So I've had this hooked up for a day and I haven't lost any pressure according to temperature. And I've had those valves hooked up. I think my low pressure Schrader valve is leaking, so I have got a tool to go in there and remove that. So I got 22% battery left on the old GoPro. I don't know if it'll film this all. We'll give her a whirl. Okay, so I just took that valve off, put a little spit on my finger and held it on there, and I got a bubble coming out. So pretty sure that's my problem. So you gotta, let's see, you put this on, there we go, and you reach up in here and start unscrewing it, and hopefully it's came off. Ooh. I'm not clipping on here like I should. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, the GoPro died, so I got it out. So I'm gonna go get a new one, see if I can get it back in there. So this is the kit that I bought off Amazon. So there's a core. They give me a big old mess of different stuff, and then this one is set up. I'll never use it, but this is the adapters to do R1234YF, which is the new Freon. Anyway, like I said, I got this off Amazon. It's called a Lichamp. Probably made in China, but you know, this is awesome. And that service port is upside down, which makes getting the core out a whole lot easier. I don't know how you get them out if they're not upside down. So I didn't see any bubbles, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the low pressure side disconnected and the high one on, and then I'm going to see if my pressure changes at all based on temperature in the morning and during the day tomorrow. If nothing changes, then I've got it fixed. The only other one that could leak could be the high pressure, but I haven't really seen any bubbles off of it. So anyway, I hope this cures it. So, one of the reasons it was short cycling, so an A6 has like a, I don't want to use this word, I'll use it anyway, a tit on it. And the connector that goes down over, it's like a bullet connector. And it wasn't making good connection, so I cleaned it up. And with the temperature control set all the way high, it'll run continuously and just freeze the heck out of everything. Now this system has a temperature control. It's like a wet bulb. It's a probe, gas-filled probe that goes in the evaporator coil, and it senses temperature and then turns off the compressor clutch when it reaches that temperature. But if you turn it all the way over full blast, it will never shut off. It will just freeze that thing solid. So those are the only two things that could have had it short cycling, is the temperature switch or that bad connection. And it was the bad connection, because it will run continuous now and freeze it up good. So let's come back tomorrow and see if we've lost any pressure on the high side. You know, I get asked all the time, you know, what does it take to change the seat on a scraper? It just takes a few tools and a lot of swear words. But I used aniseeds, so the next poor bugger doesn't have to go through this. So I got the new bottom one in, got the seat adjuster rails to work, cleaned them up. I finally got the back out, and the back is supposed to be getting direct shipped to me from the Denver warehouse. So, well, if that doesn't show up, I'm gonna have to put that back one on for a day. $50 says it won't show up till Monday, and I gotta go to work Monday. So as you can see in the video, my GoPro is mounted to the top of Killdozer, but my GoPro decided to crap the bed and corrupt the files, then deleted them. And even though I recovered them off the card, they're unusable. It also erased everything I did on the Filthy Horror the other day, the air conditioning, just a load of stuff. So I'll take care of the sounds here. Beep, 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 beep. Looks like you lost your sideboard. Lost your sideboard? Oh, where's the other one? So yesterday my GoPro filmed all that stuff, and then I went to download it, and they're all corrupted and none of them work, and so I have none of that. Oh, this is How the hell do you get up here, Jake?